When it comes to window installation, many homeowners in Cayce focus on the aesthetics and cost of the windows themselves, but the installation process is just as important. A poorly installed window can lead to drafts, water damage, higher energy bills, and even structural problems in your home. To ensure your windows function properly and last for years to come, here are 5 common installation mistakes to avoid. Improper measurement. One of the most frequent mistakes in window installation is incorrect measurements. Even if you purchase high-quality windows, if they don't fit the opening correctly, you'll face issues like gaps or difficulty closing the window. These gaps not only compromise the window's efficiency but also leave your home vulnerable to water leaks and drafts. How to avoid it? The best way to prevent measurement mistakes is to hire an experienced professional installer who knows how to measure windows correctly. If you're doing the installation yourself, take precise measurements at multiple points along the window frame. Measure the height, width, and depth, and double-check these numbers before purchasing your windows. Also, make sure to account for the window's frame when taking measurements. Neglecting proper sealing. Sealing around the window is crucial for ensuring energy efficiency and preventing water from seeping in. Neglecting to properly seal a window can lead to drafts, moisture buildup, and even mold growth in your walls. Water infiltration can cause significant damage to the window frame, walls, and insulation, which can lead to expensive repairs down the line. How to avoid it? Ensure that you use high-quality caulking or weather stripping when sealing your windows. If you're installing multiple windows, pay attention to the type of sealant used to ensure it's appropriate for the climate in Cayce. For example, in areas with high humidity or fluctuating temperatures, a strong, waterproof sealant will prevent moisture buildup. An installer should take the time to apply sealant around all edges of the window frame and check for any gaps before completing the job. Not using the right tools or materials. Using the wrong tools or materials during installation is another common mistake. For instance, some DIYers may use low-grade fasteners or sealants that don't provide the long-term durability required for the harsh weather conditions in Cayce. This can lead to improper fitment and diminished performance of your windows. How to avoid it? If you decide to install the windows yourself, make sure you have the correct tools for the job, such as a level, a tape measure, shims, and proper fasteners. It's equally important to choose the right materials designed for your specific window type and climate. If you're unsure about which products to use, consulting with a window installation expert can help ensure you get everything you need for a proper installation. Overlooking the flashing. Flashing is a critical element in window installation, as it helps to direct water away from the window and prevent leaks. Failing to install flashing properly can result in water seeping behind the window frame, causing rot, mold, and even structural damage to your home over time. How to avoid it? Make sure to install flashing according to the manufacturer's instructions. Flashing should be installed in such a way that water can't collect around the window. It's also important to make sure the flashing overlaps correctly to direct water away from the window. If you're unsure how to install flashing, consider hiring a professional installer who is experienced in the proper techniques. Improper window leveling and alignment. If the window is not installed level or aligned properly, it may not function as intended. For example, a window that is slightly out of alignment may not open and close smoothly, or it could become harder to operate as time goes on. This misalignment could also put unnecessary stress on the window frame, potentially causing it to break or warp. How to avoid it? Take extra care to level the window both horizontally and vertically during installation. Use a high-quality level and shims to adjust the window into place, ensuring it sits perfectly straight. It's also important to double-check the alignment before securing the window in place. By making sure the window is properly aligned from the start, you can avoid the hassle of fixing problems later. Conclusion. Window installation is a job that requires attention to detail, precision, and the right materials. Whether you're installing windows in your Cayce home for the first time or replacing old ones, being aware of these common mistakes can help you avoid costly repairs and ensure your windows perform as expected. While DIY installation is possible, hiring a professional installer can help guarantee a flawless finish. Proper installation will improve your home's energy efficiency, increase comfort, and protect your investment in the long run.